Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a sporty favorite in the premium hatchback world, the 2026 Hyundai i20 N Line. Known for its sharp styling and fun-to-drive nature, the i20 N Line has built a strong fan base among young drivers and performance lovers. The 2026 model takes that spirited character and enhances it with fresh design, refined dynamics, and upgraded tech. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new i20 N Line more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 i20 N Line arrives with a bolder and more athletic design. Hyundai has updated the front with a sharper grille pattern, sleeker LED headlamps, and sportier bumper detailing. The side profile features new alloy designs and slightly more sculpted lines, giving it a confident, dynamic stance. At the rear, redesigned LED tail lamps and a refreshed diffuser add to its performance-inspired appeal. New color options and subtle N-line accents enhance its youthful and energetic look. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 i20 N Line continues with the responsive 1.0-liter turbo GD engine, now tuned for smoother acceleration and improved efficiency. The engine pairs with either a refined IMT or a quick-shifting DCT for a more engaging driving experience. Hyundai has reworked the suspension and steering calibration, offering better cornering stability and sharper feedback. These tweaks help the i20 N Line deliver the sporty character fans expect while keeping everyday comfort intact. Safety and technology. Inside, the i20 N Line gets upgraded tech for a smarter, more connected drive. The touchscreen infotainment system features a refreshed UI with wireless smartphone connectivity and enhanced navigation support. Hyundai has added improved driver assist features, including better lane-keeping assistance and more responsive emergency braking. Digital instrumentation, voice commands, and premium sound options elevate the cabin experience, making it both fun and